Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the SkinMedica TNS Essential Serum 1 ounce. It is not oily at all, and if you have very dry skin you may need an additional moisturizer over it. So wherever you choose to buy, make sure you do your research and make an informed decision so as not to waste your money. This product is truly essential for my aging skin, and along with retin A and a good sunscreen is all you need for remarkably good skin. SkinMedica is a subsidiary of Allergan, which makes Botox and Juvederm, so more than likely a ton of research has gone into making this serum. Do know that it takes a few weeks to begin to see the amazing results, and you won't get the full results for several more weeks beyond that. The packaging is designed for you to go through this process so you get the perfect ratio of each of the two products on your face. Be sure to pay attention to directions if this doesn't do what you hope. Try TNS serum without the dual dispenser. This serum really works. Within a short period of time there was dramatic decrease in the fine lines and wrinkles and an improvement in the texture of my skin. It is already smoothing out some fine wrinkles on my face, and the leftover is working really great on the back of my hands. You put one pump on the back of your hand and mix the two colors together, then apply to your face. The unexpected benefit is that when smoothing the leftover on the back of my hand, it makes it look plumper. This product is truly amazing and works best if pump it on the back of your hand and rub the serums together before applying. The description says that it supports skin's natural rejuvenation process to improve the overall appearance of skin, including fine lines, wrinkles, tone and texture. The liquids are white color and dark salmon. Not sure which is the TNS recovery complex or which is APS corrective complex. You squirt this on the back of your hand, mix with a finger, then smooth all over your face and neck. Since moving to a drier climate, my skin had been dry and splotchy with red, almost scaly patches by my nose, and given the overall risk factors many people have for the disease, it would be hard to isolate one factor like this. A lot of people swear by it, and if you have the money, it's a good bet to make your skin look more youthful. Twice a day, and don't give up if you don't see results in a few days or even weeks. Anyway, be sure you get a fresh product by checking the expiration dates, and also be careful not to buy a knockoff. You do need to press down evenly to get both the cream and the gel to come out at the same rate. It has reduced fine lines, given my face a healthy glow, and has made my skin appear tighter and healthier in general. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.